Introduction to Google Bard for Data Visualization.
Google Bard is an advanced conversational tool from Google that can help you transform raw data into easy-to-understand visualizations. Whether you have simple numbers or complex data sets, Bard can guide you through the process of making effective charts and graphs using natural language queries. Let's explore a straightforward workflow to create compelling visuals with Bard.
Preparing your data.
Before using Bard, ensure your data is organized. Prepare your information in a clear table format with columns representing categories and rows for data points. You can copy this data from spreadsheets or CSV files. Clean data makes it easier for Bard to understand your request and generate accurate visualizations.
Starting a data visualization query.
To begin, simply open Google Bard and paste your prepared data into the chat box. Use a clear prompt such as, "Can you make a bar chart of this data showing sales by month?" The more specific your request, the easier it is for Bard to understand your intent and suggest the right visual.
Customizing your visuals.
Once Bard offers a chart or graph, you can interact with it using follow-up questions. Ask for changes, like different chart types or color schemes, by saying things like, "Show this as a line chart," or "Highlight the highest values in red." Bard will update the visualization based on your preferences, making it easy to iterate.
Exporting and using your visualizations.
When your visual looks right, Bard can provide options to download the graphic or copy code for use in presentations or reports. You can ask for formats such as PNG or SVG, or request the charts code if you want to further customize it in a spreadsheet or code editor.
Best practices and limitations.
When you are using Bard's output, for accuracy, it's important to double-check that charts represent your data correctly. Bard is ideal for quick, simple visualizations and exploring data in an accessible way.